Are you experiencing problems with cracks and hard skin? In that case, you probably soaked your feet in a foot bath and attempted to solve the problem with a foot file. This, however, is not a solution, because a foot bath dries out your feet, meaning it is not suitable for foot care. The secret of baby soft feet is heel repair by Australian Body Care, with tea tree oil and a high contents of urea. Yes, 25% to be exact. This means that it dissolves hard skin, allowing for it to be removed more easily. At the same time, the natural tea tree oil protects heels from bacteria and other damages. Apply daily to clean and dry heels. Once you treated your heels, it is important to prevent cracks from appearing again. It is therefore recommended to use heel repair in the morning and in the evening, but at least once before you go to bed. This will help you avoid future problems before they occur.